Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude back with another model review. I've got 5 minutes left on my battery life, so I'll make this guy quick. So today I'll be reviewing the Dacentrurus model. So this is a stegosaur with a beautiful array of spikes down its back. It's got plates that slowly, gradually correspond into the spikes along its tail, and it's got very large shoulder spikes as well, similar to Kentrosaurus. Now this model is by CollectA. It's a deluxe figure, so it's larger than their usual lineup, and it sports a very beautiful paint job with these circular patterns down its back and along its sides, and a red throat, and very beautiful eyes and head sculpt on this figure as well. Now it's rearing up to eat from a tree, or possibly to fight off other dinosaurs. So it comes in a very nice position. All its toes are painted on its feet, same with the front feet. And this figure is quite large, so it can be in scale with some of the other deluxe figures or other model lines like Papo, Safari, and CollectA. Oh, it is CollectA, oh my goodness. Anyways, and this figure also has the tail spikes kind of a red or dark brown color, and its plates along its back are a similar color to its body. I believe the stomach is a lighter color than the rest of the body as well. And overall this figure is very large, it's very heavy and wide, it's not too thin, and makes for perfect dioramas and photography. So I hope you guys like the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content. And you can go follow me at Brendan the Paleo Dude on Instagram. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.